how to set up a hotel room on booking.com. Now in order to set up a hotel room on booking.com, just simply open your browser and search for booking.com extranet. Then this first link of join.booking.com will appear. Just simply open this website, and after that you just simply need to log into your account. You just simply need to continue in a new property, and after tapping into the continue option, you just simply need to select hotel, B&Bs and more option from this page. Tap to hotel, B&Bs and more, and then you can choose your hotel from very top. And after selecting that, scroll down to all the way to bottom and tap to continue. And after that, you just simply need to select how many hotels do you want to list, and after selecting your option, tap to continue. Then you just simply need to tap to continue again in this page, and after tapping to continue, you need to fill out your region or country, and you need to find your street address. Then after that, tap to continue one more time, and you need to fill out all of the informations about your hotel. You need to enter exact location, and after that you need to hit continue one more time. And after doing that, you need to select if you want to connect to a channel manager or not. After selecting your choice, just simply tap to continue again. And now after doing that, you need to enter the name of your hotel and the stars that your hotel has, and after that you can specify if you are a property manager or not. Just simply select the option, and after entering all of the information in this page, select continue one more time. And like this, you need to enter all of the correct details about your hotels in every single page in here, and at the end you can successfully list your hotel in booking.com. Just simply fill out all of the information. I'm not going to go over every single one of these are very easy steps. You can just simply need to read through all of the questions and answer those, and this way you can very easily set up a hotel room on booking.com. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.